What if I told you that there is a way to give to Codex one single goal and then walk away? Come back hour later and your feature is ready. That's exactly what new/goal command does. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use it, how to enable it, and what's the difference between goal and normal prompt. And if you're ready, then let's get started. What is goal? A goal gives Codex a completion condition, what should be true, how success is checked, and constraints. So when to use the goals? Use the goal when you need to do performance optimization, flag key tests, bug investigation, multi-step refactoring, and some other long-running tasks. The goal lifecycle is simple. You set the goal, Codex does the job, check the result. If it's meet the requirements, it's complete the task. In order to use new/goal command, you have to update Codex to the latest version. Let's open the terminal. To update Codex to the latest version, simply use this command, npm install -g at OpenAI Codex latest. After that, let's make sure you are using the latest version. Simply run this command, codex --version. You will see the latest version. After that, one thing you should make in order to use Go, you have to go to the configuration. Your configuration file usually located in the codex folder, config.toml file. Open that file, and at the end of the file, add this goals equal true and multi-agent equal true. So you will see this file. It should look like this. After that, you save it and close it. Doing this, you enable the goals in Codex. Otherwise, you won't see the goals when you launch the Codex. Then open Codex, and you will be able to see goal command. As you can see, now it's available. In order to use goal, you can use this simple /goal command. And after that, you can write your prompt. For example, you can write like this, but this prompt is too vague. It's not ideal for using it with a goal. Instead of it, I recommend using this kind of prompt. In this instance, you become more specific. You define requirements and constraint. This is a good example that you can reference. And after that, I hit the enter and my goal is activated. So now I can see, by using goal command, I can see one active goal. I can see how much time it's used and how many tokens. As you can see, there is also available go edit, go pause, and go clear commands. One is for pause, one is to edit the goal, and one is to clear all the goals. Keep in mind that without Autopilot, Codex will ask you for permission for certain actions. You can change permission to auto, and then you won't see this question. It means you can set the goals and then go away. In order to do that, simply use permission command. Choose permission. Now we can't change it because the command is running. But before you launch the goal, make sure you set up right permission. But be aware of that auto mode is a little bit dangerous because Codex has access to everything on your computer, and also it has access to tools. So I would recommend to be careful with that. When not to use goals. For example, small or one-off tasks. Do not use goal for a one-line edit, simple explanation, short code review. Normal Codex prompt is better for that. Another instance when you don't need to use goal is when you have vague finish line. For example, you can't use goal with a task like make this better, because it doesn't give to Codex reliable completion condition. Another example is refactor this code. Is also weak unless you define expected end state, tests, and constraints. Do not use goals to hide uncertainty. If the data may be unavailable, say so in the goal. If benchmark may flaky, say how to handle that. If proxy evidence is allowed, define how it should be labeled. And that's probably it. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. Please click like, but share with me your feedback in comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Watch my other videos because they are really useful. And I hope to see you, yes, you, in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.